Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to delete your messenger account. Okay, let's start. At first go to your messenger. Tap on messenger. Click on menu button. Then click on settings. Scroll down. Click on account center. Click on personal details. Now click on account ownership and control. Click on deactivation or deletion. Select your Facebook account. Click on deactivating or deletion your Facebook account. Now select delete account. Click on continue. Before you delete, we may be able to help. Now select I do not feel safe on Facebook. Click on continue. Staying safe on Facebook, then click on continue. Permanently delete account, scroll down. Now click on continue. For your security, please re-enter your password to continue. Then your password. Click on continue. Confirm permanently account deletion. Now click on delete account. During this process, you can delete your messenger account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.